ILPA presents Granilux, a product for the specific treatment of marble, granite and synthetic granite. Granilux has an efficient protective action while polishing, giving a great shine to the surfaces treated. Granilux is water and oil repellent, so the materials treated gain resistance to contamination from liquids. Granilux is permeable to steam, thus allowing the natural breathability of the stones. Granilux formula is owned by ILPA and is created with a mixture of waxes and resins. The product is available in the W version, which is water-based and therefore more delicate on surfaces, and in the S version, solvent-based with a more vigorous action. Both Granilux W and Granilux S are available in the neutral version, ideal for the treatment of light-coloured stones, and in the black version, best suited for dark colours such as grey, anthracite and similar dark shades. We are now going to show the effect of Granilux on different types of stones, each treated with the most appropriate version of the product. We have chosen 3 samples of dark granite, 1 sample of light-coloured marble, 1 synthetic red marble. We start by cleaning and thoroughly drying the surfaces to which we are going to apply the product. Before using the product, we always recommend carefully reading the safety instructions. On one half of this sample of brushed granite, we now apply the solvent-based Granilux S Black. We divide the surface of the tile with some masking tape in order to easily compare the part of stone subjected to treatment with the untreated part. Please shake the container before using the product. For the use of solvent-based products, it is advisable to wear a face air mask. We can now apply Granilux, distributing plenty of the product evenly with a brush or felt cloth. For floors or large areas, you can use an automatic waxing machine. On one half of this sample of synthetic marble, we now apply the solvent-based Granilux S Neutral. Synthetic marbles and granites are materials which are particularly difficult to treat because specifically designed to be impervious to detergents and other chemical agents. Granilux is indicated by marble workers as the most effective product on the market for finishing work on synthetic stones. To treat this black porcelain granite, we chose the water-based Granilux W Black. Finally, on this pink marble tile, we apply Granilux W Neutral. Granilux dries in about 20 to 30 minutes after application. However, for optimal results, it is advisable to wait 24 hours to allow the product to penetrate better and have a more effective and lasting result. We now polish the treated part of the surface with a felt cloth and evaluate the results by comparing it with the untreated area. For floors or large areas, a polishing machine can be used. Now you can appreciate the great benefit of using Granilux. All materials have gained in brightness, contrast, depth and vibrancy of colour. It is particularly important to note that Granilux creates an even coloration between the rough edges and smooth surfaces, even on synthetic stone. This aesthetic finish is absolutely essential where edges remain exposed and visible. Pouring liquids like coffee or milk on the surface of our samples, you can notice how the liquid tends to expand and stain on the untreated area on your left, while it recedes without sticking to the surface and leaving marks on the part on your right, which has been treated with Granilux.
ILPA, chemicals in harmony with nature.